In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Bank of America credit card payment using the mobile app or online banking. By the end, you'll feel confident paying your bill the right way every time, whether you're on your phone or at your computer. Start by signing in to the Bank of America mobile app or online banking. Use a secure connection and your usual login credentials. If you're prompted to verify your identity, just follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're in, take a quick look at your credit card's due date and current balance so you know what you want to pay. Next, navigate to Bill Pay or go directly into your credit card account. Both paths get you to the same place. In the app, you'll typically find Bill Pay on the main menu or the bottom navigation bar. On the website, look for Bill Pay in the top navigation or open your credit card from your accounts list. If you open the card first, you'll see a payment option on that page. Now tap or click Make a Payment. This opens the payment screen where you'll set up the details. Take a moment to confirm you're paying the correct card account before moving on. Choose the amount you want to pay, minimum, statement balance, or a custom amount. The minimum due is the smallest amount required to avoid a late fee, but you'll likely carry interest if you only pay the minimum. The statement balance pays off everything from your last statement, which is the best choice for avoiding interest on those charges. A custom amount lets you target a specific number, such as a partial payment or the current balance if you've made new purchases since the statement closed. Pick the option that fits your goals and budgets. Select the bank account you want to pay from. This will be one of your eligible linked accounts, like a checking or savings account. Make sure there are sufficient funds available to prevent overdrafts or returned payments. If you have multiple accounts, double check you've chosen the right one. Finally, review all the details and confirm whether this will be a one-time payment or a recurring payment. One time is perfect for occasional payments or when your amount varies. Recurring payments help you stay on track automatically. Choose the amount type, the frequency, and the date that lines up with your due date. You can adjust or cancel recurring payments later if your plans change. After confirming, you're all set. Keep an eye on processing times and cut-off hours, especially around weekends and holidays, and schedule ahead to ensure your payment posts on time. That's the whole process. Simple, secure, and fast.